Hey everybody, trying something new. I want to see if my camera works here. And I also want to see, we'll get it up on my screen on the computer. See if I'm live. Hopefully you can hear me. There I am. So let me make sure I got the sound down. I don't want to interfere with that. Okay, let me put the camera in reverse. So hopefully you can hear me because I got the laser going right there. So, okay, let's take you down. Close your eyes. I'm going to go spinning. There we go. Okay, so I've been working on some cute Christmas ornaments. And let me get this up here. And I needed some snow techs. And my snow techs, whoops, I gotta get this right. Where am I at here? There you go. And they were out of the snow techs, so I made some of my own snow techs. But I'll show you how I made that. So, I took my Red Devil here. Oh yeah, you don't want to get this. You don't want to ever put this over your carpet or anything because sometimes it falls out. So this is my Red Devil, and this is spackling. It's very lightweight, and I just put some in here in this container. You want to use any container that seals really good. So got that in there. Then make sure you get your lid on there really tight. Do not put glue in this spackling because it'll clump on you. It'll get like a real clump on there. So, okay, so I got that in there. Now, I am going to take my perlite. I got this at Harriet Lumber. Maybe this spring, or she might even have some in the back still too. But get you some perlite. And let me find my Kleenex. Oops. I hate that when I open a box. It's kind of goofy. Okay, so I got my Kleenex. I'm going to move this little guy here. There's my Kleenex. I'm just going to take a handful of perlite on here. There. See, there's like a handful of perlite. And so you kind of have some big chunks in there. Well, you don't want some big snowflakes. So, what I did, remember, do not put glue in here because it'll make it all smushy. Then I folded it over, and then I just kind of pressed it down. You could use a hammer, I suppose, if you wanted to. But this is a little bit dusty, but you'll want to get all those super duper big chunks out of there. See, now here's like a super duper big chunk. And I'm not going to put all of this in there either. But, okay. So we got the majority of the super duper big chunks out. Now I'm going to scoop, here, I'll just use my hand. I'm going to scoop some of those in there. And I don't want to put all of this in there. I'm going to put it back in my bag. Because that stuff is a little bit spindy. Okay, now I'm going to take some of my water. It's not super clear water, but that's okay. I just put a little bit of water in there. Take the end of my paintbrush, and I'm going to stir that around. And I think I might have got too much water in there. If you get too much water in there, just put some more spackling in there. So, but we'll see. But see how you get more chunks than just like, excuse me, just like plain. Yeah, I think I'm going to put a little bit more spackling in there. Because I like it a tad bit thinner. It seems like this stuff always flies out. Oops, probably not put that much in there. Just a nice little scoop. Okay, make sure you always get your lid on there tight. Otherwise, you're going to have dried spackling. I always go around and look at the edge here to make sure it's all down. Okay, so now let's get this all. Yeah, because these, I don't know how much these are. I'm having a hard time finding the Snow Tex anymore. But, oh yeah, this is nice consistency. Okay, so now I'm just going to clean off the end of my paintbrush. Depending on my project, like I'm doing ornaments now. These are the ornaments I'm doing right now. But depending on the, let me sit down here. Depending on the project is the size of the paintbrush I'll use. This is just like, just a teeny tiny paintbrush. If I'm doing like a big snowman, then I'll use a bigger paintbrush. So, but now I just kind of get a little chunk on there. Just want like on the edge of your thing, the edge of your paintbrush, and just kind of daub it around like it snowed last night. And all my southern friends are starting to realize what kind of snow we get, but really we only got like a ½ inch of snow, and you want to kind of have some drooping down on the sides here because maybe it's melting a little bit. So there's that one. Put him over there. I always let these dry about 24 hours before I start, because I'll spray paint these, or not spray paint them. I'll put the clear liquid on them, and then I'll go back over them with a glitter, kind of like a glitter. Oops, there's the, probably can hear me a little bit better. I think that's good. Let me see if I can find it real fast. Then when I go back over, I'll use this glitter to, let me get it in the light so you can see it better. I'll put a little glitter shimmer on the, I was going to show you maybe the difference that you could see. So here's one with like regular, and it see how it's a little bit more smooth, and then this one has the perlite in it. But don't put any glue in it. So, you guys have a great day. Let's see if I can switch you around again. Go for a ride. There you go. So, you guys have a great day. I'm working on some Christmas ornaments right now because I love Christmas, and I just kind of have a hard time doing anything else because I love Christmas so much. So, you guys have a great day. Stay warm. Talk to you later.